You don't need a fancy BI tool to look at your churn, retention, or other cohort analysis. My favorite way to do it is with pivot tables like this one. You can see here I've grouped all of our HubSpot deals by their original close date, and then I get a count of how many deals churn each rolling month after that. For example, you can see a little uptick at the 12-month, 1-year renewal point. Then over here I can see the percentage of cumulative deals that have churned at any point in time. Better yet, I've duplicated that tab and swapped out the count of deals with the actual ARR value so I can see how much money is actually churning from each cohort. But really my favorite thing about pivot tables is just how flexible they are. Watch how easy it is to swap out close month as my cohorts with, let's say, close weeks. I'll get a similar view. Better yet, I can even swap it out with deal owner first name if I want to see which sales reps are closing the deals that our company can retain the best. I built this analysis using HubSpot deals, but really you can do this with any data set that includes some kind of start cohort date and some kind of cancellation or churn date. Let me know if you want the template.